Well, hello everyone and welcome to Momentum channel. In this video, as part of our weekly cryptocurrency update portfolio, with the goal of growing the portfolio from a mere $500 all the way to $10,000, we are looking at our accounts in Wealthsimple Trade, Wealthsimple Trade Crypto. You notice that right now the overall value of this account is sitting at $463 in change. If you look at the performance of the account over the past 1 month, let's take a look. You see, we're seeing approximately 6% return. If you look at the last week return, though, it's showing a negative return. In fact, it's showing a negative 8% return. The past 24 hour as well is showing a negative 2%. The past 1 hour is showing almost a flat return. Overall, if you look at our 3 months return, 22%, and a 1 year return, most likely the same amount because we haven't opened that account that long ago. With that, let us dive deeper into the holdings within Wealthsimple. Currently, Wealthsimple only offers you the opportunity to buy or sell Bitcoin or Ethereum. As such, we both have both of those cryptos in our account. Bitcoin, as we are seeing here, the last trading price is sitting around 76,000 Canadian dollars, and Ethereum is hovering around $3,000. In terms of our total value invested, you can see here on the screen, the larger portion is invested in Bitcoin and about $80 or $81 invested in Ethereum. Our returns for our Bitcoin portion is at 28%, and our return for our Ethereum investment is sitting closer to 17%. You still have $55 left here, so why don't we go ahead and actually buy some Bitcoin here. Let us go ahead and perhaps try to buy maybe $5 worth of Bitcoin, especially that you're seeing over the past 24 hours it's gone down. I think it could be a good time for us to buy that. So we're going to go ahead and put $5 worth of Bitcoin. Let's proceed. With Wealthsimple Crypto, you don't get a chance to actually select the price that you're willing to buy. There's no limit buy, and rather you have to just place the order at the market buy, which is what we've done right now. An order is complete, and we should be reflected in our account shortly. Let us also go back and perhaps try to buy some shares of Ethereum as well. Let us take a look. Ethereum, if you look at it again in the 24 hours, it also seems to have gone a little bit down. You can see it's like by negative 2%. So let us go ahead and buy $10 worth of Ethereum. Just gonna put the order at the market buy. This is the price that is roughly about the price that is going to be fulfilled at, and we're going to place that order as well. All right, that sounds good. Why don't we take a look at some of the activities that we've had in this account over the span of the past week and show you exactly our deposit as well as our purchases in this account. We didn't sell any of our cryptos. All right, so if you look at our activity here, you notice that the two buys that we had right now are listed here. We also bought $10 worth of Ethereum earlier on. And this week, you see the price that it was fulfilled at. We bought $10 worth of Bitcoin on that same day as well. And this is the price that it was fulfilled at. And of course, we bought $5 more of Bitcoin, and that one was bought at a higher price of around 80,462 Canadian dollars. Those are all of our buys. We didn't, in fact, deposit. The last deposit that we had was on April 9th, which is a little bit more than a week ago. All right, so with that, let us just move over to our other account that we have with Coinsquare. This is not Coinbase and the famous Coinbase IPO, but rather Coinsquare, which allows Canadians to, in fact, buy crypto here in Canada. So the total value of our account is $614. What's quite interesting is the amazing run that Dogecoin had recently. In fact, if you recall, within the span of a 1 day, it gone up by almost 130%. And so for your reference, we invested about $1 into Dogecoin. And in fact, you notice here that how that $1 has now turned into $5.61, almost 5 times more in terms of growth. So that's just amazing. We also have a little bit of Bitcoin in this portfolio as well, and this is how much the overall worth of it is. If you look at our transaction, and just to take a close look and whether we bought any advanced trade, the reason we are looking at advanced trade is the fact that, of course, through Coinsquare, you get a chance to have limits buys. So that's typically the one that we've actually pursued here, and not so much on the quick trade or market buy. You'd see the last $1 that on March 28th we spent. So in a matter of 2 weeks, that $1 actually turned into $5, so almost 5 times more in a matter of 2 weeks. That's not too bad at all. I guess we were a little bit lucky with that, but that's also how it works sometimes in the market. With that, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I would love to hear from you as well, whether you are investing in cryptocurrencies, and if yes, which cryptocurrency right now is your favorite one to invest in. Let us know in the comment section down below, and be sure to subscribe to Momentum channel for more videos about stock market investing in crypto, real estate, as well as financial education. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.